Hello viewers, welcome to Fashion Box. Today I'm going to show you Christmas dresses for girls, for working women. These are amazing red and black color combination, beautiful Christmas dresses. These are latest 2019-20 latest Christmas dresses style. As you can see, these are very elegant to wear and perfect for a Christmas function, Christmas party. If you're searching for dresses what to wear on the Christmas party this year, then you have to watch this video till end without skipping any part of it, so that nothing or not a single picture of any of the picture missed out for you, because these video contains amazing images regarding Christmas dresses, Christmas party dresses, Christmas outfit ideas. So if you are looking for such opinions, this video is perfect for you. Please watch my video till end, because this is a video specially made for those who are searching Christmas outfit ideas. Using my channel Fashion Box, you can watch out fashion from all over the world, including stylish dresses, prom dresses, bodycon dresses, skirts, maxi designs, bridal dresses, party wear dresses, casual dresses, branded winter wear, summer wear, neckline designs, shirts designs, trousers, sleeves, watches collection, and all the rest of the things that I have missed in saying out. So you can see all the things are available over here. You can watch my channel. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that my every new video notification comes first to you. Keep supporting, keep motivating me, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and also a comment about what should be the topic of my video in the next upcoming session. Stay tuned to my channel for more such beautiful outfit ideas, fashion related tips, so that you can be up to date about the latest fashion upgoing in the world. So I hope after watching this Christmas outfit ideas, what to wear in the Christmas party this year, you will be completely answerable what should be your dress this year. And also I must tell you, you can find these dresses online on amazon.com. So not to worry, stay tuned to my channel, keep supporting. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.